Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to do the review of Dell XPS 12 Duo convertible ultrabook. As you can see over here, this particular laptop runs on Windows 8 Professional Edition and it can be converted into a normal Windows 8 tablet as well, like this. So you can flip the screen and then you can use this device as a Windows 8 tablet, and it does support capacitive touch. Let me just unlock the machine for you. So the machine has been unlocked, and if we take a look over the specifications of this machine, the overall experience index is 5.5. We will come on to that later. It runs on Intel Core i7 third generation processor, as you can see, which is 1.9 gigahertz, and I think with turbo boost you can take up to 3 gigahertz. And then you have 8 GB of DDR3 RAM, out of which around 7.88 GB is usable. 64-bit addition of Windows, and then it does full Windows touch support with 10 touch points. So you can have actually 10 touch points on the screen when you use it, which will be supported on this device as far as the touch screen is concerned. Here is the small Windows key with which you can actually go back to the modern UI of Windows 8. You can press it anywhere and you can return back to the modern UI. If we take a look over this machine, the overall design of the machine is quite sleek. It is the Dell XPS Premium Ultrabook and it runs on Intel processor. This is how the machine looks like. If we talk about the ports on this machine, on this side you have the mini HDMI out here, the mini DVI out basically, with which you can connect this to a projector using an adapter, which should come with this particular laptop. We don't know about it. Then you have the USB 2.0 ports over here. There are two USB 2.0 ports. Then you have a button to actually check the status of the battery. This is actually indicators which give you the status of the battery. Then you have a speaker over here for the sound. And if we take a look on the front side, you have no buttons, nothing on the front side. And on this side, if we take a look, we have an orientation lock button. So whenever you are using this device as a Windows 8 tablet, you can actually lock the orientation with this button. Then you have a headphone jack over here. Then you have a power key with which you can actually make the device go into sleep mode by toggling this on and off. Then you have the volume button, the volume rocker, with which you can increase and decrease the volume. Then you have another speaker over here. So these speakers are actually meant to be for the tablet when you are using this device as a tablet, this Ultrabook as a tablet. So what you can do is, in order to use this device as a tablet, you just need to open it and then you need to press from this side and the screen will be rotated. And once the screen is rotated, you have the full Windows 8 tablet with full touchscreen experience with you. You can either use in the portrait mode or in the landscape mode as well, as you can see. So if you rotate it to the landscape mode, it will take some time to rotate the screen. And then if we take a look over the keyboard and other designs, so this is how you can flip back the screen. Here you have the chiclet keyboard, which has backlit light within the keyboard, so you can actually use this laptop in dark rooms as well. You won't be facing any problem in terms of typing. And if we talk about the detailed specification of this device, let me just show you the experience index again to show you the overall performance of this machine. So okay, this is the overall configuration of this machine. If we take a deeper look over the experience index, okay, so this is the overall score which is there for this. The processor has got 7.1, RAM is 7.9. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, which is DDR3. The desktop graphics is 5.5 as it runs on Intel HD 4000 graphics. Then you have the 3D business and gaming graphic, which is 6.4. So I think it should have a graphic card as well, Then you have the primary hard disk, which is SSD in this case, and it is 8.1. If I show you the size of the hard disk, the size of the hard disk is around 250 GB available, and after installing the operating system you have around 1.96 GB free for your applications and programs. And this is how the screen looks like. If we take a look over the resolution, the highest resolution of this device, let me just show you the screen resolution. So it supports full high definition resolution, that is 1920 into 1080, and that is the recommended resolution on this device. However, if you use this resolution, the text actually looks quite small when you use this resolution. So the device resolution as well as the clarity of the text is quite good. The overall color saturation when it comes to the display is quite vibrant. The overall display is very vibrant, as you can see. We will come up with a detailed review very soon about this machine. That's all from now. That's all right now. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.